Hello, brilliant boys and girls, and welcome to Learning with Avant-garde Books. I'm Cherie Hardy, and I hope you are well. Today's lesson will be about the CL sound. That's right. What sound do the letters C and L make when they are together? Well, before we get started with our lesson, I want to make sure that you're in a very comfortable place, you're relaxed, so you can learn about the CL sound. Let's get started. Brilliant scholars, when you take the letter C and it is followed by L, you get a blend. That blend is pronounced like this: cla, cla, cla. Here are some examples of words that have the CL sound: clam, clean, clock, bicycle, circle, and nucleus. Remember, when you see the CL together, what sound will it make? You're correct. It will make the cl sound. Let's see how much you remember. When the C and the L are together, what sound does this blend make? You are right. It makes the cl sound. Here are some more words with that sound: class, climate, click, climb. Let's try that one more time. This time, I would like for you to repeat after me. I will say the word, and you simply say it too after me. Class, climate, click, climb. Bravo! You did a fantastic job. Don't forget, your learning potential is limitless. We're going to continue learning. Here are some words with the CL sound. We have clownfish and cyclone. Clownfish, cyclone. Remember, what sound does the CL make? You are correct. It makes the cl sound. Let's say these words: clarinet, clue. Clarinet, clue. They both start with the CL sound. Look at the pictures and tell me if you can say those words with the CL sound. If you said clouds, you got it right. Clouds starts with the CL sound. And then we also have class. Class. Clouds, class. Whenever you see the CL together, it will make the cl sound. The next two words with the CL sound are climb and close. Climb, close. What sound do both words start with? You're right, cl, cl, as in climb and close. I want you to get some practice saying the CL sound. I will say the word, and then you repeat after me. Clear, clear, clap, clap. You did a fantastic job. Now we have clarinet, clean. Clarinet, clean. They both start with the CL sound. Can you say these two words with the CL sound? I know you can. Our first word is clock. clock. And then we have cliff, cliff. They both start with the CL sound. Let's try these two words. First we have clover, clover, and then we have clay, clay, clover, clay. Now you try to say those two words. You did an amazing job. Here are some words with the CL in the middle. We have circle and nucleus. Circle and nucleus. These next two words are miracle and uncle. Miracle and uncle. Can you see the CL in those words? Yes, you can. Amazing scholars, I am so proud of you. You're learning so much. Now, let's get more practice saying words with the CL sound. We'll start with column 1. I will say each word, pause, and then you will say the word. Let's get started. Claim, clam, clamp, clean, click, clip, and clipper. You are absolutely phenomenal. Now, column 2. Again, I'll say each word, and then you will repeat after me. Clan, clay, clear, cleat, clog, clown, and clue. Well, boys and girls, what do all of those words have in common? You got it right. They all have the CL sound. Now, for our last column, column 3, the CL is not at the beginning of the word. Again, I will say each word, and then you repeat after me. Bicycle, cycle, icicle, miracle, nucleus, oracle, and spectacle. Boys and girls, you are absolutely amazing. Remember, your learning potential is limitless. You can learn as long as you're willing to work hard and invest the time into learning. You can learn anything. Let's keep going. Now, I want you to assess how much you've learned. Look at the pictures on your screen. Can you tell me which of the words start with the CL sound? Well, if you said clouds, you got it right. Again, study the images carefully. Which word do you think starts with the CL sound? If you said clap, you got it right. The ladies are clapping. The word clap starts with the CL sound. What do you see on your screen? Out of those two images, which one has a word that starts with the CL sound? Well, if you said cliff, which is at the top of the mountain, you got it right. Cliff starts with CL. Do you recognize what you see on the screen? And what word starts with the CL sound? You got it right. Clams starts with the CL sound, not cow. Here are two more pictures. Do you know which word starts with the CL sound? I bet you know it. You got it right. Clock starts with CL. All right, boys and girls, you can look at your screen and see which word has the CL sound. Nucleus has the CL sound in the middle. The nucleus is what is in the middle of a cell. Our bodies are made up of thousands of cells. We're going to get a little more practice saying words that have the CL sound. I'm going to read the sentence on your screen, and I would like for you to repeat after me. The clownfish is swimming. Let's do it one more time. The clownfish is swimming. Wow, you can read. You read so well. We have a few more slides to go. Here is a new sentence. Notice that there are three words with the CL sound. I'll read the sentence, and I would like for you to repeat after me. Clarence is cleaning out his closet. Let's try it again. Clarence is cleaning out his closet. You did a great job. Can you identify the words that have the CL sound? Yes, you can. Clarence, cleaning, and closet all have the CL sound. Notice that this sentence has two words with the CL sound. I'll read the sentence to you, and then I would like for you to read it by yourself. I know you can do it. The clouds are clear. Let's try it one more time. The clouds are clear. Wow, your reading is getting better every single day. You did such a great job. We're almost finished. All right, beautiful boys and girls, on your screen, you'll see the letters C and L. When you see those two letters together, what sound does this blend make? You got it right. Cla, cla. Can you say any words that have the CL sound in it? Wow, you are amazing. And you're right. Words like class and nucleus and climate, they all have the CL sound. So when you're reading and you see the C and the L together, remember to say cla, cla. That is what the CL sound makes. Well, boys and girls, thank you so much for listening, watching, and learning with Avant-garde Books. Brilliant scholars, please let us know what you learned today. We thank you so much for listening, watching, and learning with us. Have a beautiful day.